Down here at the brick factory sand track, just behind the brick factory down there somewhere, way down that way. Been hitting some gnarly jumps, doing some track laps around here just to warm up a little bit, and you know, you gotta give her a bit of a 1 ton, and rips like a genius, man, honestly. Anyway, last few weeks ago, I bought some Pro Taper bars for a little bit of an upgrade, and sheesh, it's way more comfier than the stock bars on it, and a bit bigger, so that feel better. And she looks mint, bloody absolutely mint, and yeah.